Fiscal Matters, a podcast of the Financial and Fiscal Commission.
Welcome to Fiscal Matters, a podcast of the Financial and Fiscal Commission. My name is Ongezwa Ngotana and I'm an intern here at the Financial and Fiscal Commission. Today, I will explain the concept of unemployment to enable you to understand and appreciate public finance, public policy, and government services. Unemployment is a universal challenge facing each and every country, even the developed countries. In today's episode, we will explain what unemployment is, how it's measured, the different types of unemployment, and what can be done to address unemployment. So, what is unemployment? There are two definitions of unemployment, the official and the expanded definition. The official unemployment refers to a person willing and able to work but cannot find a job, while expanded definition refers to a person between the ages of 15 and 64 who is without a job, able to work but not actively searching. The official unemployment definition excludes discouraged workers. These are people who are eligible and able to work but are not actively looking for a job. How can unemployment be measured? Unemployment is measured using the unemployment rate, which is the number of people that cannot find work, the unemployed, divided by the labor force. The labor force includes both unemployed and employed people. And then you times everything by 100 to get the unemployment rate. Since we've explained in detail what unemployment is, how it's measured, now let's look at the types of unemployment. There are 4 types of unemployment. Firstly, the frictional unemployment, which refers to people who are temporarily unemployed without a job due to being fired or voluntarily leaving their current job in hopes of finding a new job. For example, someone leaving one sector in hopes of joining another sector. Frictional unemployed workers have skills that are transferable from one sector to the next. The second type of unemployment is structural unemployment. A worker that is structurally unemployed is someone unemployed due to structural change in the labor force. These workers' skills are non-transferable, meaning they cannot be used in another field. So if I can put it in simple terms, these workers have skills that are useless in the current workforce. As a result, when a worker is structurally unemployed, their job never comes back unless they learn other skills that are in demand in the labor market. For example, a decrease in the demand of manpower in the agricultural sectors as farmers now use tractors to plow and plant. They just need one person to operate the tractor when plowing and planting, meaning that people who used to do that work are now structurally unemployed. The third type of unemployment is cyclical unemployment. This type of unemployment arises when there is a downturn in the business cycle. A downturn in the business cycle simply means that the economy is not doing well. Therefore, it is in recession. For example, during the pandemic, a number of people were retrenched from their jobs due to a decrease in production, and most companies could not afford to pay salaries, and they had to lay off a number of workers. The fourth type of unemployment is seasonal unemployment. This is also a temporal unemployment due to changes in the seasons. For example, Santa Claus is employed during Christmas but seasonally unemployed right after Christmas. Since now we've explained the reasons for unemployment, which can also be causes for unemployment, let's look at some measures that can be put in place to help address the problem of unemployment, which is education and skills training. Investing in education and vocational training programs to equip workforce with skills and qualifications needed for available job openings can help address the problem of unemployment. Job matching services can connect job seekers with suitable job openings, which can also address unemployment. Lastly, it's entrepreneurship support. Encouraging entrepreneurship by providing training, mentoring, financial support for individuals looking to start for their business is also a way whereby a government can address unemployment. This is all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in and for following this episode. We will hope that you enjoyed it. For more on the work of the Financial and Fiscal Commission, you can visit www.ffc.co.za. So don't forget to listen, like, and follow our discussion across all podcast platforms, including YouTube, Spotify, and Apple Podcasts. Thank you.
For more on the work of the Financial and Fiscal Commission and our policy advice on youth unemployment, visit our website and review our recommendations.